Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. And if you're new here, my name is Esther Mofrey. So in today's video, I promised you guys that I'll be showing you 4-hour trading strategy. And this video is part 1, so I'll do part 2 because I want to make it clear out there about this strategy. This strategy is very good because you don't need to go to another time frame. You can trade it on 4-hour only. You know how I keep telling you, go to monthly, go to weekly, wait alignment, wait everything. No, with this strategy, you can be able to trade 4-hour only. And guys, don't ask me about 1 hour, 2 hour. This is strictly 4-hour. So before I begin, I want to show you or share with you about my mentorship program. I charge $400. You guys, many people have forced me to start saying this on my videos. I don't like saying about my mentorship because I like focusing on teaching you all here. But there are so many scammers pretending to be me, and I have to be careful and I have to tell people what I offer. So that if you hear someone saying, oh, they are trading for you, or they are doing bitcoins, or they are doing investment plans. I don't do that. I only train. So guys, I'm forced to declare what I do. I do mentorship. I train. And my mentorship is 400. I've seen other accounts even saying that I do annually, like Signals is annually, mentorship is annually. No, this is a month, it's a 2-week course. And the next class will start on 6th Feb. So what has happened, many people have been scammed and they are using different phone numbers. My official phone number, if you're watching this video and you would want me to be your mentor, you can use this number, WhatsApp number, 0700344066 plus 254 is because it's a country code, Kenya country code, but the number is there. 0700344066. So if you WhatsApp me and you tell me you want my mentorship, you'll be talking to the real Esther Mofrey. And guys, be careful on the comment section where people, they tell you, inbox me, WhatsApp here. That is not me. I will not tell you to WhatsApp me if you have not asked me for the information. So guys, it's clear that my mentorship, I give 6 patterns which I teach in details. But today, I want to, or not even today, on my channel, I'm very open on the 2 patterns that I teach everyone because, again, not everyone who can afford $400. So I have made sure that I will teach for the 6 patterns that I teach on my mentorship program. You can see I've written here. For these 6 patterns, I chose 2 because these 2 are very profitable and are very easy. The rest, they are intertwined, but on the public channel, everywhere publicly, I really emphasize on the double tops and the double bottoms. And this is what I'll show you today with 4-hour trading strategy. So if you want other 4 patterns to understand them, you have to come on my mentorship. So guys, if you hear me saying, this is for my mentorship, kindly bear with me because, again, there's what is paid and there's what is free, and I have to differentiate. With all that is being said and done, let's get into the video. I'm very excited, guys, because today I want to show you with these 2 patterns, you can trade 4-hour. And today we are starting with double bottom as a pattern. And then I'll do part 2 where I'll focus on double top. So guys, let me delete everything and then we start afresh. So in this strategy, now we are back. In this strategy, this is 4-hour. I won't flip to daily, weekly. I won't do all that. So if I have my chart like this, if this is what I have, I will bear in mind if 4-hour is what I have, I can see that this market has been trending on an uptrend, like it has been an uptrend. I'm not sure if this is just a retracement. You know, guys, there's a way higher time frame can tell you directly. I don't know if this is just a retracement and then the market to go up. That one I don't know until the structure align itself. But I can tell you, buyers have been strong. For sellers to come and take control, it will take some time. Maybe they come in and break this low so that now we can identify that even on 4-hour is a sell. But currently we are thinking on buying. And why are we thinking on buying? Because our market is on an uptrend. That is one. And the second thing, we have approached a support zone. Guys, I told you, when you approach a very strong support zone, you can see this is a very strong support zone. We can have let me first deal with this. You can have that's the support, and the market came here, and that's the support. So if this support holds, we can see an upward move like that. So that's how fast you start familiarizing yourself, even if it's 4 hour, to really understand where is my market. Is it on the support zone, or is it on the resistance zone? And it is clearly this market is where is on the support, and on the support we look for buyers unless the support is broken. On resistance around here, we are looking for sell unless the resistance is broken, so that we can continue buy. But when the market is at resistance, you only look for sell. But if it breaks, you can look for continuation of a buy. But now we'll be observing here. We don't want this market. What we don't want to see is this candle breaking like that, a red candle. If that happens, now I'll shift everything and I'll start looking, okay, what made this market to keep selling? And my mind will continually, I will try to look for a pattern. For me, guys, I tell you, I don't like trading without a pattern. The minute you trade without a pattern is one step to failing. I know many people do naked charts. They have so many strategies, but what I believe is that you need that strong reason. So, guys, let's begin. I have told you my first observation is an uptrend, and I'm not sure is it a reversal, a retracement, and how I can be sure is if I draw that a zone. So you can see that is my first zone I will draw, and this zone we can call it support. So this is what you need to do. Even if you're trading on 4 hour, have you identified your support? If you're following this video, go open any chart and try to walk with me. I'm trying to show you step by step. I'm trying to be very, very simple and easy. So the first thing you want to identify is where your market is. You see, if our market was this area, would have started with resistance. Now our market is at our support area. That's why I've drawn our support, and you can write there support. So here we will write support, and that is our support, guys. And once I write support like that, I'm sure that on support, even I will do side notes. And you know, when you do side notes, you're not ignorant. So at support, we do what? Equals, we do what? We buy. But again, at support, if broken, what do? You need to identify two things. Support, if broken, we don't buy, we continue selling. We continue selling because it's a continuation of sell. We continue selling. So you need to know that you are at a very, very tricky zone. Guys, you know, many people think, oh, at support, they start buying. This same support can buy and it can sell. And this is why sometimes many people don't have a working strategy, because they like predicting, oh, the market will buy, oh, the market will sell. I'm now telling you that two things can happen. The market can buy, the market can sell. You need to have a strong reason. Come with a strong reason. Let us reason together. Even the Bible says like that. So you need to come with a strong reason. Why do you think this market will buy? Do you think we'll buy because it's just a support zone, guys? That is not enough, because you have seen some support being rejected. So I want us to come now to pay much attention. Come close to this market and try to understand what really is that thing that is standing out. So for me, what I can see, guys, is of course a possible double bottom. Anyone who can see a possible double bottom, kindly comment down below. Can you see a possible double bottom? The first thing you know you are improving in your analysis when you start analyzing and being able to identify patterns. If you're able to identify patterns, just know possible double bottom. If you're able to identify patterns, just know you're improving. Just know there's improvement. If you can't identify patterns, you need to work more on your eyesight. I can say that. Your analyses are down. If you can't realize, oh, that is a possible double bottom. And where is our neckline? Our highest point. So I will make sure that is our neckline and I'll put red like that. And then guys, you must know that this double bottom has happened on this is an uptrend market. Can you see? It's an uptrend, double bottom on an uptrend market. Guys, all of these things should be in your head. Be in your head. Remember, what did we say when you have a double bottom on an uptrend? We said a double bottom on an uptrend, the market can sell because the market has been buying for a very long time. So even if we are thinking, oh, we need to buy, you can't say you'll buy to the neckline. There's a place where you buy and then that is it. So this is the neckline. And again, a double bottom on an uptrend, to buy up to the half, it is very easy. Why? Because the trend seems to continue. So this is like a tongue twister and you need to understand. And this is what now I explain to my students in details. Because again, if someone pays you, of course, you have seen their passion and they are ready to learn, you will be able to teach them every little detail. So I want to measure half. Once you have your neckline, I want to measure our half, guys. This is our half. Can you see our half? That is our half. So our half, I'll put color green like that. So now we are guaranteed on this trade, the guarantee position, even if we think of buying. You see, this is an uptrend, like the market has been trending up and it's a double bottom on an uptrend. We are guaranteed up to the half, guys. This is where we are guaranteed. We are not guaranteed to the neckline. I won't lie to you. Double bottoms on an uptrend are not easy to reach neckline. Reason being, they have been buying for so long. So it is like declared, it's like this market has been like overbought. So don't, even if you identify double bottom on an uptrend, you see double bottom on a downtrend, double bottom on a downtrend, it's a different case. Let me show you what I mean. You see, many people think like, Forex is just coming. No, if you have a double bottom on a downtrend, what do you think is happening? Double bottom on an uptrend is a reversal. So any reversal, the market has fuel. You see, reversal, the market can come up to the neckline. So this is your neckline, and this is your attempts, first attempt, second attempt, and you have your half there. You have that half. Double bottom on a downtrend, it is not a wonder if it goes to the neckline. Why? Because this market wants to reverse. The sellers are more willing, they are more willing, like they have been deprived for a very long time. They have been deprived for a very long time. So double bottom on a downtrend, it is easier for it to do what? To go all the way to the neckline. But now, double bottom on an uptrend, and that's what we have. It is not easy. I hope now I have made sense. It's not easy for this market. And me, when I'm trading patterns, with that in mind, for me, my tradings, I rate them here. Like if I get up to 140, I'm good. If I get up to 140, I'm good. So for me, what I've come to realize is that, the minute you know what type of a double bottom you have, what type of a double top you have, you can easily know how to even target. You can easily know how to target. And that's what I've come to realize. If you know, and you can easily know how to target, what to do, and that's what makes the difference, guys. So now we have our half. I'll make sure. So we have to take profits. The guarantee, I always say, the guarantee TP is the half. This one, the neckline, it's not guaranteed. It is not. And I'm telling you, it is not. So don't be trading from here to here thinking, oh, the market had a double bottom, it will go there. No. So TP1, it is guaranteed. But TP2, nobody guarantees you. TP2, so we come here, TP2, nobody guarantees you. So imagine all along, you have been identifying double bottom, it is on an uptrend. TP1 is guaranteed, TP2 is not guaranteed. So if I have to make everything. I have to come. My TP has to be there. That's what I'm targeting on. So the thing is, guys, we need now entry. And this is what I tell people. We need entry. And entry, guys, entry, it is easier. Entry, it is easier. So you can see that the candles are still red. Like sellers are in control. I said we do not use WBB on 4 hour. No WBB on 4 hour. We don't use WBB on 4 hour. Kindly understand that. Don't say I wait for a green candle, I put a box. No WBB on 4 hour. I will show you what to use. Don't use this because I have tested it and it does not work. So we don't use WBB on 4 hour. What do we use instead? This is what we use instead. Instead of using WBB, we will use, if it's a double bottom, we will use resistance, current resistance break. Current resistance break. So if it is a double bottom, we are using current resistance break. So in this area, we need to see current resistance break. And in this case, our current resistance is this level. You see that small green candle? That is the resistance we have. So unless the market comes and breaks here, you don't have business to do with the TP1. And that is it, guys. Even if the market prints, you see, I've said, even if the market prints a green candle, and then because it's a green candle, you think, oh, now this is a green candle. Let me show you, because now I've told you. So if the market prints a green candle, and then don't start putting a box, guys. For our, we don't use WBB. Don't start using a box and saying, oh, I will wait for box to break. And then when the box break, I enter. No. On 4 hour, any pattern we use current resistance break. That is to show us that it is true. Buyers are more willing to take that market on an uptrend. So we don't use this one. This is WBB. No, we want a market that has a very green candle breaking that current resistance. And guys, what happens mostly during this level, the market makers can give us another current resistance. So it has to pay attention. So at the moment, let me remove this. At the moment, this is our current resistance. But again, we can have another current resistance. So it's you to pay attention, current resistance. So we have current resistance like that. That is current resistance. So that is my current resistance. All along, if I want this double bottom to work, my take profit to this level, all along, guys, I want my current resistance to be broken. Guys, that's what I tell you. I just need that current resistance to be broken. But, and this is but, when the red candles happens like this, for us to get a resistance, of course, we need a green candle followed by a red candle. So for you to get a current resistance, you need a green candle followed by red, you have a resistance. So if at all we have a green candle, and pay attention, guys, if right now they print a green candle and another green candle and another green candle, then we have a red candle. What do you think will happen if now we have a red candle? Of course, there's a resistance that has been created. So we'll shift that resistance from there to here. So we won't be working with this. This now will turn to be our current resistance. Guys, you need to play this video multiple times for you to understand what I mean, because this is the key for you to succeed if you want to be using 4 hour as your winning strategy. So for me to move current resistance to here, I need green candle followed by red. So guys, now we have identified our strategy. What are we looking for? We are looking for either resistance to be broken, that is one, or a current resistance to be created. So we are just waiting to see, will they create another current resistance below the one that we have, or will we deal with the other one? So let me play and see what happened. So all along, I get a green candle. Remember, if it is WBB, I'll be very busy drawing a box. And that's the difference. On 4 hour, we are not doing that. So we won't draw a box. Actually, box does not make sense in this case. So we have a green candle, and then we wait to see, will we have another green candle? Of course, we have a green candle. And then we are waiting for now a red candle to happen. Now, what do you think, guys, has happened? Guys, what do you think has happened? We have been, there's a resistance that has been created. This is what I'm saying. Now, remember, we were using our current resistance here. We have dropped it all the way. Now, if that is broken, if that resistance is broken, guys, the market is going to TP1, and that is done. Like, that is done, 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 done. So if this current resistance is broken, we are going up and we are getting involved. So our eyes is waiting. How will the market behave? Now let's see what happens. So green candle starts to come again. We can see the market is attempting to touch that resistance, current resistance, but is not getting broken. So let's see what happens. Let's see what you can see, how the reaction we can see. And don't you remember, on WBB we adjust. About current resistance, we do not adjust. So the line that you put on this green candle, so that the red comes, that is your current resistance. So we are not removing anything. And finally, guys, our current resistance has been broken. So for those who knows about BWA, if now you want to use BW for more confirmation, you can use BW. And guys, I said BW is only taught on my mentorship program. I only give this kind of a strategy to my paid students. With what I'm teaching you, even without that strategy, you can still make it. But with that strategy, now your life is much easier. Imagine, guys, if I tell you we are getting involved here and going all the way 267 pips. 267 pips. So that is it. So you come in and put your long position and forget about this trade. So you come in, get in. And this is why I tell people, for me, I don't use stop loss. If you want to use stop loss, you can use ATR. It's called average true range, to measure the position, the pips, how many pips, but for me, I don't use it. That I don't emphasize. So guys, another thing, if you want to be more accurate, you can even look patterns inside a pattern. So if we look patterns inside a pattern, what do you think we have? We have a ranging pattern. Guys, had you seen that ranging? We have that ranging pattern. And then we can draw, if we can observe how will the market behave with the second ranging. So this is just additional information. If you just stick with double bottom, it's fine. But for me, I like having more confirmation. So this ranging pattern means if the market breaks here, if the market breaks there, it will go that distance. So it is promising us to even go further. You can see the ranging is promising us to go even further. So this is what I'm saying. If 4 hour, you master it. If 4 hour, you master it and you master the patterns. And this ranging pattern is one of the patterns I teach, and I won't teach it here. If you master these patterns, you're good to go. So we want to see, this is the TP that we have, TP1. And the TP2 is if at all you know about ranging and how ranging works. So I'll just put, in case you want to see, did it hit TP2, if at all you had two patterns working together. So we have TP2 there. So guys, now as the market, you will be observing what will happen here. You can apply BWA, but this trade, we want to see, if you apply two patterns in one, you're getting how many pips? 368 pips. If you target only one pattern, that is the double bottom that I've taught you, you'll get to 78 pips. Now I'll play this quickly because I think I'm done with this strategy. Let's see what happened. TP1 was touched, TP2 was touched. Guys, what else do you want to see? And you can see the ranging was broken. Can you see my ranging was broken? Proving that TP2 will be touched. And there's a way I teach about ranging, and I won't teach it here. Guys, this is how you can do it. And you can see it was just a simple double bottom. But double bottom, I have focused on the entry. The entry level is what makes many people don't get it in the market. So guys, what I can share or what I can tell you today is that practice. Make sure this video you have repeated multiple times for you to understand, and see you for part 2. Part 2, I'll focus on double top on 4 hour, and then after that you are now able to trade on 4 hour. Thank you so much guys for watching. Until next time, bye bye, love you.
But if I lay down and I play dead and I stay dead,